So in this problem, we have to find angle ABC, that is this angle. We have been given, that is this angle is 45 degree and this angle is 30 degree, and point D is the midpoint, that is length BD is equals to length DC. So this is given. Now to solve this problem, we will first do some construction. So let us say draw a perpendicular from B to side AC. So this is perpendicular. This means this angle is 90 degree. Let us call this point as point E. Then in triangle BEC, so in triangle BEC, we can say this angle is basically equals to 60 degree, because sum of the angles is 180 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 30 degree, so 120, and 120 plus 60 is 180 degree. Now next we will do another construction. So we will connect point E with point D, and D is the midpoint and BC is the hypotenuse. So if you consider this triangle, that is BE and BEC, if you consider this triangle, this is the hypotenuse, that BC is the hypotenuse. D is the midpoint, so we are connecting point D, that is the midpoint, with the vertex E. So there is a theorem that says in case of a right angle triangle, the midpoint of hypotenuse is equidistant from the vertex. So this means something like this. If you have a right angle triangle and then you have midpoint of the hypotenuse, then this point is equidistant from the vertex. This means this length is equals to this length is equals to this length. So if I use this theorem here, I can say in this case that this length is also equals to this length and this length. This means in this case we can say BD, basically BD is equals to DC, which is also equals to DE. So once I know that this length is equals to this length, then in triangle EDC, so in triangle EDC, so if you consider triangle EDC, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So in that case, this angle will be again 30 degree. So if this angle is 30 degree, sum of the angle in a triangle is 180 degree, this angle will be 120 degree. Now this angle will be how much? Once again, this total angle has to be 180 degree. So this is 120 and this is 45. So this will be 15 degree. Now consider triangle, this triangle. So A, D and C. So if you consider this triangle, what will be this angle? So sum of angles should be 180. So this is 30, this is 120. So that is 150 and plus 15, that is 165. So this is 150 plus 15, so 165. So 180 minus 165, that is basically 15 degree. So this angle is again 15 degree. This means now if you consider triangle AED, so triangle AED, so if you consider triangle AED, this is also an isosceles triangle. So if you consider triangle, so let us consider this triangle. So that is this triangle AED. That is, this triangle is a isosceles triangle. So this means this length, so this length is equals to this length. So this length and this length is equal. Now consider triangle EBD. So triangle EBD, that is this triangle EBD. Now in this triangle, this angle is 60, this angle is also 60, 45 plus 15, so this angle will be also 60. So basically this is a equilateral triangle. So this means this length is also equals to BD. So I can say in this triangle BE is equals to BD is equals to ED. All lengths are equal. Now finally consider triangle ABE, that is this triangle. So let us consider this triangle AB and E. So this triangle. So if I consider this triangle ABE, in this case this is again an isosceles triangle because this length is equals to this length and this angle is 90 degree. This means angle on the base will be 45 plus 45. So this means this angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree and this angle will also be 45 degree. This is 15, so this will be 30 and this is total is 45 degree. So now we can find angle ABC. So what will be the angle ABC? 60 plus 45. So angle ABC is basically in this case 105 degree. So angle ABC is equals to 105 degree. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, then please share with your friends and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.